welcome back to my channel. I have Morgan with me today. Get in here like this. And we are going to do a video live of me, well not me, of Morgan cutting my hair.
You're not gonna be cutting it.
I ain't cutting nothing. Morgan was kind enough to come and help me out. So she's gonna talk a little bit about what she does to cut my hair. I've been looking for a solid hairdresser for a very, very long time, and now that I have Morgan, I'm not letting her go. I came in and I was like, cut, and she's like, no. So today we're just gonna basically take off the weight, right?
We're gonna texturize it. We're gonna take some of the bulk out of the bottom so it's nice and soft and light and airy.
It's like the no makeup of hair.
Exactly.
Okay, let's get it. What happened to me once? I went to this hairdresser. It was in Israel, and in Israel they really like to chop your hair off. I don't know what it is. It's like a thing. I don't think it's like that now anymore, but anyways, I went and I just wanted a trim, and I came out with like literally a bob. It was the most devastating time of my life.
You'd be surprised how many women have that exact same story. Like, it's happened to everyone.
I always talk about invisible layers, which is what you taught me. That's what it's called. What's like the secret of having those like effortless type of haircuts?
So for me, I like to point cut the hair. So when I pick up a section of hair, instead of cutting it straight, I always point my scissors into the hair strand so that you're giving a little bit less definition and more blending. I think photos are really important. I love when my clients bring in like 1, 2, 3, 4, even like a folder of photos to show me what they love, what they hate, sometimes even photos of their own haircuts that they've had in the past that suck. Like, that's so helpful when someone has a photo of what they love and what they hate.
So like the more direction, the better.
Yeah, definitely. I like to keep the layers around your face longer and super soft and blended as they go down. And we always do that no matter what. Even for like a little bit of a shorter haircut, I'm still gonna do that. Because I think if I went too shorter at the face, you would probably bite me.
I'll be so upset. Oh my God. It looks so short. But like not like in a I'm scared way short. It's just
It's
like,
not, I haven't even cut the length yet.
oh. Ready?
Take it off.
Oh yes. Wow, this is like the shortest I've been in years.
I love it.
I love it too.
How does it feel?
It feels so nice.
We haven't styled it yet either. It still looks so good even though we haven't styled it yet. Does it feel light enough?
I think so. What do you guys think?
I love it.
I like that it's still thick.
Oh my God, Morgan,
so
I feel like
good.
I'm obsessed. I'm so happy I didn't do a DIY one.
I never
Could have
would
been
let you.
really, really bad.
I would never have let you.
Yay! And this is how you do it. Thank you.
You're welcome, babe, anytime.
If you guys have any questions about hair, you guys should follow Morgan on Instagram. I'm gonna link it in my description box, and she's there to help you guys.
Definitely.
Bye guys.
Bye.